people of the YouTube world. I'm really tired. I haven't recorded a video in a while. It's been like a month, I think? A few weeks. I don't know. I really should have checked before I started recording this. Oops. Anyhow, I decided to make another webcam video, vlog, to announce that I am going to start raising money so I can get, well, number one, a camcorder, which I desperately need, because the one I have sucks and I can't really use it, and two, a MacBook, so I can have 3 Final Cut Pro, so I can do 4. I can make videos that are awesome and edited and not lazy, and I can actually do things, yeah. You can see that. Okay, so I hope all of you have a very happy Christmas, and so good night.